Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the D-Rich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, D-Rich.
Hey everybody, welcome to the D-Rich Show. This is D-Rich and today is the 9th of February 2021. How's everybody doing this Tuesday? We're going to turn it up a little bit today. We're going to turn it up on Tuesday. I think that's what we could call the show. But anyway, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody had a good Monday. Finished off the afternoon very well. Thanks for listening to the video yesterday. And for some new subscribers coming in, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. And anyway, hit the like button. If you're new for the first time, hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Just so you know that I'll be putting out another video. But anyway, guys, I hope everybody's feeling blessed, excited for a new day, for new opportunities. And as always, we're going to jump right into this coin market cap because it's important that we look at it and see where, it's been, where it's going, where it's at, and kind of keep an eye on it so you can kind of get familiar with the market cycles, with the trends, things like that, where you might see some value that needs to be taken off the board by yourself. Anyway, Bitcoin dominance is back up to 63%. Okay, we'll be talking about Elon Musk here shortly. We'll also be talking about China handing out another $1.5 million right before the Chinese New Year, and regulators that will shift overnight when it comes to certain regulations in certain places. And then we're going to also talk about Nexo banking, or Nexo token, and how it might help you and apply to you if you want to put that in your portfolio. But anyway, I don't know where this popped up. I guess Wall Street Bets is no longer. I think Tesla must have bought them out. Who knows? Because that was not there yesterday. Anyway, Bitcoin is up 47,000, almost reached 50,000. Looking pretty promising, I guess. Ethereum 1,700, a little bit over 1,700. XRP hitting 47 cents, up 6%, over 6% of the last 24, and bumped back up to 4 in the market cap, as it's been sliding up and down 4, 5, and 6. But you know what? At the end of the day, just hold on to your seatbelt, because we'll be looking for that top spot. We'll all be rolling in Teslas. Okay, so you just hold firm, home to your position. Anyway, Cardano 68 cents, Polkadot 22, almost 23 bucks. You got Binance coin again, very, very impressive. I don't know what's causing the spike, but very impressive for being a exchange token. And this is why I think, exchange tokens are to be had in your portfolio based on the success of the exchange. Hopefully the exchange is beneficial for you. But anyway, let's go ahead and round this thing up, get ready, and get to the articles. Anyway, Binance coin still ripping it. Litecoin 175. So again, I'm a hodler of Litecoin, and Chainlink there at 26. And Bitcoin Cash at 498, almost 500 bucks. Look like Dogecoin is taking a breather. Don't panic. Don't sell your stuff if you hold it. Most people get to a position where, they see a massive dip and they make a bad trading decision by getting rid of their, coins or whatever you want to call it. I try to buy crypto and hold crypto, and I'll just speak from experience. Early on, I could say, oh, I had 100,000 of this or 200,000 of that, when this was way down here, zeros, where the 9 is here, zeros, you get 100,000 for 30-40 bucks, and don't realize, how valuable those are. So if you're new into crypto, hold on to your crypto, because you have to let it mature, or else you're going to throw a lot of money away, which I did. And this comes with experience when you are trading crypto, or when you're trading, period. And this is where I've gotten out of the idea that everything is a shit coin, because if it's making money and I know that I've sold it or traded it or gotten rid of it, and later to find out that it's gone past, where I thought it would go, then I threw a lot of money away. Anyway, you got Tron moving up, Terra Luna. See, I had some Terra Luna for speaking, and I got rid of it. I hold Cosmos, I hold XEM, looking pretty bullish. Some Theta there, Tezos. These are some of the ones that I like. Avalanche, up 137%. You can't beat that. If you got money invested, then you got VET, VeChain. I want to pick me up some Neo before it get too high. And then, just going down, look at all the green. Filecoin, I picked me up some of them. These are some tokens that you need to kind of look at. I know they look a little pricey, but, do your due diligence. And another one is here at BitTorrent, up 196%. Okay, over the last week. And I can tell you what, I hold a lot of those, and I've been in and out of this token for so many times, and I just decided to finally hold on. And there's a couple, some ZIL, and there go that Nexo token, which is up 10% in the last 24 hours. But you do your own due diligence and do your own research. I love some Digibyte. I'm sorry, I'm going over, my portfolio pretty much. But I'm full disclosure, I have nothing to hide. And if it's making me money, or it's allowing me to feel successful, I want to go ahead and share everything with you. So I'm sorry that I go over the market cap, but it also gives you an opportunity to have insight about, me, what I trade, what I hold, what I continue to hold, and what I will hold for a long time. Pretty much all of my crypto is not going to be sold or touched for fiat anytime soon. Some Ocean Protocol engine, that Bancor. I love that Bancor. Been holding that since 9 cents, 9 pennies. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get up into this Elon Musk article right here by BBC News. Elon Musk, Tesla buys 1.5 billion of Bitcoin, causing a currency spike. Yeah, I'm kind of skeptical about it. Does it give it some legitimacy? I would say so. But at the end of the day, I'm very cautious when you have people coming in, putting, weight around, throwing their weight around. And it becomes more of an opportunity for, a person to get a lot of return on their investment, and then come back and dump it back onto the market. Okay, so anyway, the news caused the price of Bitcoin to jump 17%, which was 44,000, a record high. Tesla said it was trying to maximize returns on cash that is not being used in the day-to-day running of the company. And it comes days after Mr. Musk added Bitcoin to his Twitter profile page, which drove up the price. He removed it days later, but has continued talking of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, which also jumped 50% after his endorsement. So, here's a little chart, give you an idea where Bitcoin is going. And, it might breach 50, 60,000. I don't know. But, for me, I don't know how I can sleep at night knowing if I had a full Bitcoin, and I just don't know if it'll drop 6, 7, 8,000 because of anything And it has a lot to do with Tether being tied to it as well. Anyway, that's called them. They're talking about it being a game changer. Some analysts said Tesla's investment could be a game changer for the cryptocurrency. I think we will see an acceleration of companies looking to allocate to Bitcoin now that Tesla has made the first move, said Eric Turner, Vice President of Marketing Intelligence at cryptocurrency research firm Messari. One of the largest companies in the world now owns Bitcoin, and by extension, every investor that owns Tesla or even just an S&P 500 fund has exposure to it as well. And guys, this is what it's bringing people in. And when you have Bitcoin, most people are going to say, Bitcoin is a little bit pricey. It's a little expensive. But when I first got into cryptocurrency, my first experience was with Bitcoin on the Robinhood app. And, I said, hey, let me see if I could buy some of this. And it went through as a micropayment or, a small portion of Bitcoin. And really from that point in time, my vision and my ideas of finances completely changed, because now I knew I didn't have to buy the entire Bitcoin. Now, once people learn that and find that out, then that's when they're going to go look at other assets like XRP, Stellar, Cardano, and I see that the prices are rising, because what usually happens is people come in when it's already too late. They buy at the top, or they buy when it's going up. Will some people make gains? Absolutely. Hopefully, they don't get wrecked, or, they don't, come in at the top of a cycle and then we go into a bull market. But I don't think we're going to go into a bull market. I think that we're going to go into a full-blown bull market. So be patient, guys. Because anyway, China is about to hand out 1.5 million in digital currency testing during the lunar year, which is coming up on the 12th, which is this Friday. Let's get out of that. Okay, sorry. This is coming from CNBC News. Evelyn Chang wrote the article. China's capital city will hand out about 1.5 million in a limited trial of the central bank's digital currency. The municipal government announced over the weekend the total of 10 million won will be distributed through about 50,000 packets of 200 won or about $30 each. This marks the third major test of the digital currency under development by People's Banks of China. Now, this is pretty good that they're giving it away so that people can go on the test trial. Maybe they have already been doing this. This is just a rollout to roll it out on the people, get them kind of comfortable, familiar with the ideas, starting to, move people into that direction, which is digital currency. In this trial, Beijing said it will select 50,000 from a pool of applicants to receive 200 won, or about $30 each, in the digital currency. Recipients can spend the money at designated offline locations or on parts of e-commerce sites, JD.com, during the upcoming Lunar New Year holiday. So, guys, New Year's is about to start for China. So big things should come to the cryptocurrency space. The vouchers are going to be valid from February 10th to February 17th, and the digital currency test is only open to those with a Chinese ID number or resident permits from Hong Kong, Macau, or Taiwan. So, guys, if they roll that out in the United States, we've already seen it being rolled out here in other countries as well. Okay, this is coming from the Bangkok Post. Regulators to shift oversight of ICOs to Securities Act. Okay, measures will remove regulatory overlap, and this is published on the 9th, which is today. Okay, and this is coming from Notawan Pokonumbani. If I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. The Securities and Exchange Commission plans to transfer oversight of initial coin offerings for investment and utility tokens to the Securities Act in order to remove regulatory overlap and promote digital assets. Governance of digital assets long-term. Amendment of the Securities and Exchange Act to support digital tokens. And here's this little slide here where it talks about Security Act covered STO, security token offerings, stocks, debentures, REITs, real estate investment trusts, investment token project based and asset backed plus utility token not available for use. Cryptocurrencies for Digital Assets Act covers ICO, initial coin offerings. Okay, intermediaries are exchanges, brokers, dealers, investment advisors, private funds, and others as designated by the Finance Ministry, except for proceedings from Bank of Thailand utility token available to use. THB stablecoin only brokers and dealers are exempt. So guys, these guys are trying to get some, type of regulatory clarity so that they don't continue to overlap the policies to hamper. Okay. The licenses involved in ICO fundraising, such as ICO portals, will also be required to apply for a license to act as a financial advisor or underwriter in order to lead fundraising projects under the Securities Act. And at the moment, there are many ICOs waiting to be launched, but are still hampered by the confusion over the legal definition of ICO and whether they should be subject to the Securities Act or the Digital Assets Decree, she said. Okay, and after the regulations are more polished, the legal definition of ICOs will be in line with the international standards. So, it's all going to play itself out. Okay, and we just got to be patient until, everything is smoothed and ready. Cryptocurrency is a very risky investment with no fundamentals to support it. Young investors may lose all of their money in the investment. Parents should closely supervise their children when investing. Okay, here's the thing. I have children. They have a ledger. They don't need to have any other device. They're going to store it for a long time. Okay, they're not going to touch it. So that is the best financial advice that I'm going to give them, is that I put their wallets, in the file, and when it's time for me to send some over, I'll send it over to them, and I build it unbeknownst to them, and unbeknownst to me, because I don't know what's in there. I just know what I send in there, and I keep track of it, but it's not something that I'm going to have oversight on. I want them to go in there one day and find that they have many blessings taken care of before anything else. But anyway, let's get into Nexo. Nexo banking is banking on crypto, and guys, if you guys haven't set up your Nexo account, please do so. If I do have a link for this, I'll put it in the description. I'm not sure if I do, because I haven't really used this exchange as much as I should. But I do have this exchange, but I wanted to go over it because I think the Nexo token is one of the exchanges that is going to hit it off big as far as getting bang for your buck. It allows you to trade your crypto for loans if you need to do so, if you need those opportunities available. Okay, you can earn interest. You can earn daily interest on your crypto and Euro, GBP, and USD. Okay, you get up to 12% annual interest. Unique daily payouts, 100 million insurance on all custodial assets. Add or withdraw from funds at any time. 0 fees, which means no hidden fees. You go over the website for yourself. Things like that. I'll log in and make sure that I get that link for you guys to put it in the description if you haven't set up your Nexo account. They also have the Nexo card. You can get that and have that plugged up for yourself as well. I'm still waiting for mine, hadn't got it yet. And again, you got the Nexo token, which is probably something I would say have in your portfolio. So anyway, just wanted to leave that there. No coercion here. It's just only a suggestion or a recommendation. I don't get paid to promote any of this stuff. I just go with the videos and try to put something out there where you could get something out of it. But anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video today. We'll be back with another video tomorrow. As always, we'll get it done, and we'll be putting out something where you could tap into and hopefully get you to start setting up other things along the way and building your portfolio, building your business, building your own bank, things like that. This is what journey we're on. I'm a little ahead of the curve, but I'm here learning as we go with you, so that there's no person that we don't want to exclude. We want everybody to get as much information and knowledge as possible when it comes to the crypto space, because we're going to have a flood of people coming in here shortly. But anyway, guys, have a great rest of your day. God bless. Take care. And as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.